So, because we're starting to learn about air this week, and you've already watched a video about hot air balloons and learned what happens when air gets warmed up, I thought it would be pretty cool to do an experiment to find out what happens when we cool down air. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to blow up this balloon. Okay, here it goes. All right, so the cool thing about balloons are that they're a way for us to see that air takes up space, right? The air that I blew into this balloon is taking up all of the space inside and giving the balloon its shape. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some string and I'm going to tie it around my balloon. Okay, so now I have a balloon with a string tied around it. Now, the thing about balloons is that they're not the same width all around. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to draw a line around the balloon where the string is, because I want to be able to measure if the size of the balloon is changing. Okay, so I'm going to take my permanent marker and trace a line around the balloon. Okay, so now I know exactly where that string fits. And when the string is on that dark line, it's very tight. There's no space there. So I'm going to take this balloon and I'm going to put it in my freezer, which is a kind of a silly thing to do, but when you're a scientist and you want to do some experiments, sometimes you got to do some things that seem a little silly. So I'm going to put the balloon in my freezer and see if anything happens. So I want you to make a guess about what you think might happen to the air in this balloon when I put it in the freezer, and how will we be able to tell? Okay, now I'm not going to leave it in there for the whole week, but it's got to be in there for a little while. So you're going to have to tune in next week to see the results of the experiment. Okay, bye.